係歐瑞明。
各位好，各位好，我係 Super Senior 嘅代表。阿森林喺度啊，仲有咧，仲有藍姐係嘛？係嘛？我唱完都係咪到佢哋啊？應該係啊。講開 Eric 咧，我哋好有緣嘅係咪？係啊。因為咧，我哋海選嗰陣時咧，我前面嗰個就係阿 Eric 啊，再前面嗰個就係 Karen 啦。有唔有緣啊 ？Karen 記唔記得係啦。咁唱完之後咧，仲有一樣嘢可以講啦，應該係咪？佢入咗100，咁我哋100強嗰陣時有記招啊嘛，係咪？咁佢話你，咦？哇！你好嘢喎，兩個一齊入咗喎。咁啊，佢話我冇入，我係唔入嘅。佢如果入咗犀利啦，係嘛？因為佢為咗照顧阿 Karen， 就佢就負責係照顧佢。係嘛？咁即係好開心啦！今日你嗰個唔係50年喎，30年，30年好快50年，係啦，30年嘅結婚紀念，多謝晒啦！不如我送首歌俾大家啦。呢個世界咁美好，就送一首叫做《What a Wonderful World》。I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see the skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They learn much more than I ever knew. When I fool, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. 多謝明哥。仲有有啲説話要講嘅。我哋有首新歌叫做《I'm Sorry》。